This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, City Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Holden JH Cruze SRi sedan, stock reference number 4093. This shape runs from the third month 2011 through to the first month 2017. It has a 19 UN 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 19 UN 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right hand headlight, right hand fog light, chrome SRi radiator grille, SRi front bar cover, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have a bit of fading going on the mirror base. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light, the left boot lid garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor SRi bar cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. We have the right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a couple small dents. Right power door mirror also has the base fading. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, seat warmer type, standard, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.